It is so hot outside today. I'm literally sweating. I need to like, whew. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good week. I just wanted to film something a little bit different, and I saw like this inspo kind of look. If I can find it, I will attach it here. And she had like really vibrant rainbow eyes, and I thought, I feel like I want to do that. Like I never really go bold. Like the most bold I do is kind of pink, maybe orange. I thought I really want to try like different colors. So I'm just going to take you on the journey to get ready with me. If you like it, do not forget to hit the thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun content, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you want me to try, any looks that you want me to do. Today's look has been created by using the Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, and does it not look great? My opinion on this is they're not that pigmented. However, to like achieve a rainbow look, they look great, and it looks really good in the natural sunlight and on camera, but they're not as pigmented. But when you look at this palette and I saw it in store and I was like, oh my God, I think it was like £8 or £12. So I literally was like, I'm obsessed, I have to get it. And up until this point, I probably used like 4 colors out of it. And I thought, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna use the yellows, I'm gonna use the greens. I'm gonna do something different, and I've done it. So let me know how you feel about it in the comments.
So I'm starting off by using my Bobbi Brown Prep and Prime, which is the Vitamin Enriched Cream and Under Eye Base. I absolutely love this, probably use it in every video, and it's what makes my makeup sit really well on my skin. So I'm just going to take that and apply that to my face. Before I go in with my Benefit Brow, I'm just going to take my Revolution Pro eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in the gaps and kind of shape them like this before I go out and line them with concealer, and also top up with the Benefit Brow.
So I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to use that to line my eyebrows and just neaten them all up.
I'm going in with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I don't know if I actually recommend this anymore because it did go very dry very quickly. However, I have used it for this video. As you can see, I'm just using some makeup tape to help me kind of get a nice angle on my coloured eyeshadow. This is really easy to use, and also I got them off Amazon. I will link them down below. So the first colour I am taking here is a sky blue colour. I'm just picking up and packing that onto the inner of my corner. I wanted to go for a blue just to kind of keep it bright in the inner corner, and when I did put a highlight there, it really contrasted really well with the blue. So that's why I've used a blue, like I said, just to keep it really bright in the corners. The next colour I'm taking is kind of like an aqua green colour. It just helps to kind of blend in the blue and the green together, just making that transition a little bit cleaner. I'm then going in with a brighter green, and I'm just applying this before the yellow again to make the transition super clean, and it just really helps the yellow and the green pop a little bit and really blend together. Now I'm just taking the yellow and applying the yellow kind of on top of the green, blending it in, and it just creates a really nice clean look. I'm now packing on that lilac purple just on the corners, and I'm creating that kind of edge on there, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out just so each line isn't as harsh. It's really blended in well together, and then I'm going to apply a bright hot pink on top of the purple just to add a little bit of colour back in. I'm then picking up a orange shade, which is kind of like a nude orange, and I'm literally using that as the blending colour all on top just to kind of help it blend all together and add a little bit more colour transition with the pink on top. Okay, so here I am just adding on a little bright highlight colour on the inner corners of my eye, just for that little bit of a pop. Then going in with my favourite primer at the moment, it is the Milk Primer. I will tag this down below because I am absolutely obsessed with it at the moment. My makeup just goes on so smoothly.
So I'm going to colour correct with the Bobbi Brown corrector in the shade Peach. And I'm just going to pick up some of that product on my finger to warm it up. And I'm going to place that just on my high points under my eyes, and it's going to blend out really easy with your finger. I'm still torn whether I prefer this one or the Charlotte Tilbury one, because I don't need like true orange corrector. So Peach is definitely like the correct colour for me, but I'm torn between whether I like this one or the Charlotte Tilbury one. I do find that this one's a little bit more creamier, so it does kind of set in your lines quicker if you don't blend it out. I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm using that in the shade Barcelona, as I do. I'm going to go in and apply it with a brush, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. I'm just going to apply this on my high points. I'm going to get really close to my inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to take it down my nose to highlight the top of the sides of my nose to kind of cinch that in. I'm just going to go in here, and that's going to help like neaten up under my eyeshadow. And I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend this all out rather than a brush.
Using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha.
Before I set my face, I'm just going to go in with my contour, and I'm going to go quite high on the cheekbone and shape my face. It's going to blend out really easily. And I'm just going to go down the sides of my nose, like so, and always on my lip. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out today. Creasing. I am baking a little bit just because I want to take away that shine. I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer just to kind of lay out that contour. Kind of sets the contour, but also makes it a little bit more. I really like the Kylie Jenner lip liners. The only thing is they just run down so quickly. I think I've used that 4 times and it's already needs sharpening. It's just really annoying. So like I love them because they're so creamy, but I just can't decide like, are they worth it?